Alright, we're showing off this Amberola B6 or BV1 model. I was given this by Don and Chris. It was non-working and I had a really nice looking case that I cleaned up. As you can see, the top is super nice. It's got a little chip here in the veneer. I did not replace it. I just left everything 100% original. And I took it to a repair shop because when I went inside of it, by the way, if you want to hear this running, just fast forward for these first 3 minutes and you can hear the couple cylinders on it. On the lower, if you look here, it actually would be this way as you open it up. There's the on-off right here. It was missing the governor. I found a piece of it inside, and the spring barrel was completely gone, so it looked like this. And I took it to the repair guy, and he said it would be $700 to $1,000 to repair and get it working, and that's if I bought the parts. And so I really thought about, do I want to really do that? And so I was thinking, you know what? I watched videos from the Dyslexic Genius and the Victrola guy. Again, that's Dyslexic Genius and Victrola guy on YouTube, and I was thinking, I think I can do this myself. And so I went on eBay. I want to give a shout out to TS Fine Stuff. That's TSFINESTUFF on YouTube. I'm going to give them 5 stars. They sold me a complete lower, which I put in there, and all I had to do was literally take out 3 screws. I removed 3 screws, popped out the springs, and within 45 minutes last night, this just arrived yesterday, by the way, my new lower. This is the original I'm going to keep with it. Got this sucker going last night. I had a problem I want to share with you guys. You may have a problem with echoing, and there's a lot of information on the internet, but the reproducer here, it didn't have any lateral movement. So if your reproducer echoes, I did nothing to this reproducer, but I oiled up the joint here, and I backed out the screw so that it has lateral movement. And after I did that this morning, and I thank you again to the Dyslexic Genius, that guy's awesome. He helped me out. We got it going this morning, working perfect. Found the original crank inside. It's got the original front and back metal wood grain top plates. I'm going to order the front grill. I'm actually ordering from Gramps Treasures, and that's Tom Rutkowski, giving him a shout out too at Gramps Treasures. They're going to be making that, but I've got everything going. And again, this is an Amberola. If you want to look at the bed plate, this is a rarer model. It's not a 30 or a 50. It's a BVI, and the sound is just exceptional. So I'll give it a little crank. Let's try it out here. And the cool thing about this, it's in such great shape now. I oiled everything up that I just have to hit it and it gets going. And this is called the King Carl March. Hang on here. I'll play a little bit of this so you can hear it. Once I get that front grill, it's going to be nice. I kind of like that song. It's a pretty neat one. So I'm going to put in one more. Here, I've oiled everything up, and I would urge you, I'm still having an issue here, I believe, with the governor and an adjustment that is slightly out, but it's working pretty well. This next one I'm going to play is Over There. It's one of my favorites. It's a World War I song, Getting the Troops to Go Fight Over There by Billy Murray. Now, I think it might be how this is originally, because it's all original parts. Everything's going to be original except that front grill. I believe the motor's kind of loud, so I have the governor turned up a little bit faster, and then I back it off here to get rid of the sound that I'm hearing, but it may be slightly off. I don't know. So I have to make a slight adjustment here as I start the record. But here's Billy Murray's over there. You can hear that clicking a little bit. That sounds pretty good.
Take it on the run, on the run, on the run. Hear them calling you and me. Every son of liberty. Hurry right away, no delay, go today. Make your daddy glad to have had such a lad. Tell your sweetheart not to mind.
That's in the record, that clicking.
Over there, over there. Send the word over there.
Thanks, everybody. Hope you liked the video, and thanks for checking it out.